Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so I am very excited today because we have a collaboration call all about fathers, and it is an open invite collab for everyone to jump in and enjoy. Now we do have a host, and that is Deborah Cabasa Home Living. I am one as well, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now we do have some co-hosts, and they are Buckeye Girls Recent Things, At Home with Lisa, Annalise Cupboard, Pretty DIY, Design with Emma, and Mabel's Tables. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to link the playlist. So make sure guys in full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how all of us celebrated our fathers. Now, did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch a video, this helps us to grow. And every time you comment below, this lets us know how you're enjoying the video. As in all collaborations, I ask you to follow YouTube etiquette. Now let's get started. I'm going to be playing a little bit of music as I put my vignette together for Father's Day. And yes, there is Nala, and I think my other little one, Nina, is on the end of the table. I'm not sure. She's my little Lassapoo. So Nala is just always has to be involved in everything. So let me get started, leave you to some music, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Now remember to head on over to the community tab. I have monthly collaborations there that can fit anyone, and it's for everyone to enjoy. Now I just lit the candles, so you know we're almost ready to go on to the reveal. I just wanted to remind you that I will be posting the playlist in my community tab here on YouTube, and also in Instagram in the chat room, the Grace Life collaborations. So I thought this vignette came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope that you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. And also I want to thank all of the hosts who participated in this collab while we celebrate our fathers or father figures. Amen.